Good morning, children. Today we will going to start a new chapter, that is India size in location. This is of geography. Here we will discuss about India size and location. As we all know, India is one of the oldest civilization in the world. It is the 7th largest country. India is the 7th largest country in the world. So we'll discuss about the size of India. Its total area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. The total area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. It completely lies in northern hemisphere. Let me show you what is northern hemisphere. This is the model of Earth. This is equator. Sometimes equator can be also called as 0-degree latitude. 0-degree latitude. Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. This part is northern hemisphere. It is northern hemisphere. And this part is southern hemisphere. As I have already told you, India completely lies in northern hemisphere. Now we'll discuss the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. Before we move the term longitudinal and latitudinal extent, we'll have to know about what is latitude and what is longitude. We'll first look what is longitude. Longitude is an imaginary line which passes through the north to south of the earth. North to south of the earth. These lines are called longitudes. It is an imaginary line crossing north to south of the earth. Whereas, what is latitude? Latitude is also an imaginary line which crosses east to west of the earth. So, right, it is an imaginary line crossing east to west of the earth. Example of longitude is prime meridian. Prime meridian. Example of latitude is equator, Tropic of Cancer, and Tropic of Capricorn. So I hope you all got to know about today's topic. If anyone has any doubts, do comment on WhatsApp group which has been given or added by the school authorities. Thank you.